watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
Hello and welcome back. Today I'm making this delicious Tuscan soup. You might know this soup from your favorite chain restaurant, but my version is the perfect crockpot soup for the fall and winter months. Let me show you how I do it. Starting off with 6 cloves of garlic minced. Trust me, you'll want the fresh stuff in this soup. It makes a big difference. Next, I'm chopping 1 yellow onion into cubes. I'm taking 5 russet potatoes, cleaned and roughly peeled to remove some of the skin. If you don't like the skin, feel free to remove it all. I'm chopping 1 potato into quarters and then slicing into slices. I kept them on the thinner side to ensure that they cook faster in the crock pot. Next, in a preheated skillet, I'm cooking 4 hot Italian turkey sausages until they are fully cooked. You can sub the turkey sausage for pork and the hot for mild Italian. Drain the sausage, but keeping a bit of the grease in the pan, I'm using that to fry the turkey bacon. Again, you can use regular bacon. I suggest thick cut or even use pancetta. I'm pork free over here, so live your best life. I chop that bacon into tiny pieces and then throwing it back in the pan to get really crispy. In the same skillet, I'm sauteing the onions until they are glossy and almost translucent. Add in the garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Add the onions and the garlic to the crock pot and add in 1.5 quarts of chicken broth. For seasoning, I'm adding a freshly cracked pepper, salt, chili flakes, and fresh rosemary. Next, adding your potatoes and let cook for about 2 hours on high. Adding in 1 tablespoon of butter, I added the meat and stirred in. To make the broth a tad thicker, I stirred in 2 tablespoons of cream to 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I added in 1 cup of heavy cream and stirred thoroughly while boiling. Your soup should be thickened, and this is the perfect time to add in that Tuscan kale. I added in about 2 to 3 cups. Let that cook for about 15 more minutes, and that's it, my easy Tuscan soup. Top with Parmesan cheese and enjoy it with your favorite Pinot Noir. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in a brand new video. Bye!